Chapter 12. Birds. Birds are found everywhere. Here are some birds that you see around you: vulture, eagle, crow, owl, dove, woodpecker, pigeon, parrot, duck, peacock, house sparrow, hen. Birds are warm-blooded animals. You can hear them chirping near the window early in the morning, see them carrying twigs and leaves to build a nest, and flying in flocks in the sky. Birds are among the different animals that we see around us. There are different varieties of birds seen on the earth. Although these birds look different, they all have the same body parts. Let us read about them. No more. Birds have an organ called the syrinx, with which they make sound. Body parts of a bird. The main body parts include the head, eyes, beak, neck, chest, legs, feet, wings, and tail. All birds have wings. Birds are the only animals with feathers. Beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to eat food. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the kind of food it eats. Birds also use their beaks to crush, crack, tear, and open things. Beaks are of different types: crushing and cracking beak, short and thick beak, for cracking seeds and grains, example sparrow. Scooping beak, long beak, scoops food out of water, example pelican. Tearing beak, sharp and hook beak, for tearing and eating flesh, example eagle. Filtering beak, broad flat beak with holes on the edges, for filtering small plants and animals from muddy water, example duck. Drilling beak, long and hard beak, to drill holes in tree trunks, example woodpecker. Probing beak, long thin beak, for probing inside flowers for nectar, example hummingbird. Feet. Birds have 2 legs and feet. Most birds have 4 toes on each foot. Birds use their feet to climb, run, perch, hold, swim, and wade. Different birds have different feet. Running feet, 2 thick toes used for running fast, example ostrich. Wading feet, long legs to wade in water to search for food, example crane. Perching feet, 3 toes point forward and a 4th toe backward. The 4th toe is long and holds firmly onto branches. This is called perching, example sparrow. Swimming feet. Feet are web-bed to paddle in water to search for food, example duck. Picking and holding feet, strong and sharp claws to pick and hold animals. Claws are called talons, example eagle. Climbing feet, used to hold and climb trees with toes facing in both directions, example woodpecker. Feathers. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. Feathers are soft and light and help birds to keep warm. They also help birds in flying. All the feathers on a bird's body are not same. They are of 2 types: flight and body feathers. Flight feathers help birds to fly. They are found on the wings and the tail. Body feathers. They are colored feathers which cover the body of the bird. The feathers give shape to the body and are found everywhere except on the beak and feet. Also, when a bird has to make a landing, it spreads its wings and glides down without any flapping.
Flapping upwards, flapping downwards, gliding.
Feeding habits and nests. Like other animals, birds also need food and shelter to feed, grow, and protect their eggs or young ones. They eat a wide range of plant and animal foods. Some feed on specific parts of plants, such as fruits, seeds, or nectar. Many birds feed on fish or probe the mud for worms. Now their favorite food and nest. Hi, I am woodpecker. I bore out ants and insects. I drill and cut out holes in the trunk of trees. Hi, I am an eagle. I tear my prey to enjoy my food. I have a big roomy nest at the top of a tree. Hi, I am a parrot. I simply crack nuts, seeds and hard fruits. I generally don't build my nest and live in the hollow of trees. Hi, I am a hummingbird. I suck the nectar from flowers. I need a good solid Y-shaped base or crossed branches of a tree or bush to bring up my young ones. Hi, I am a playful peacock. I am the national bird of India. I have a beautiful blue body and large colorful wings due to which I am so unique. When it rains, I dance spreading my wings. Everybody enjoys this. Diet. Birds spend a lot of time looking for food. Most birds eat insects. Birds like hummingbird are plant eaters. Other birds like owls and eagles are meat eaters. Bird sounds. Do you like the sounds that birds make? The cuckoo sings songs. You don't like the cawing sounds of a crow. Most birds have some kind of sound-making ability. They make sounds to communicate, call their mates, frighten predators, and to declare their territory. Birds sing songs as well as give calls. The most famous songbird is the nightingale. Others are lark, robin, and coal. The parrot can copy human voice, and you often hear people call it mittu. No more. Lata Mangeshkar had such a sweet voice that she was called the Nightingale of India.